Whether your bumper is damaged, rusted, or just simply lost its chrome reflection, you'll find that we carry one of the best reproductions on the market. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1971 Monte Carlo front bumpers. Manufactured since 1999, each bumper is carefully crafted from stamped steel using case-hardened steel tooling for an authentic fit every time. They feature all the proper cutouts for the parking lights, license plate mounting holes, and mounting brackets. Once properly stamped and inspected, each bumper is finished with a brilliant triple chrome plating that is sure to stand out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.